Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to install application in your iPhone without Apple ID password and without Face ID, then keep watching this video because in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can do it. Let's get started without wasting any time. To install an app from the App Store without Apple ID password and Face ID, go to Settings Application. On the settings, go down to Face ID and passcode. Tap on that. Enter your iPhone passcode if asked. Here, switch off iTunes and App Store. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll to Screen Time. Tap on that. Now go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. You can see that it is currently set to always require. You need to select don't require. Now go back to the settings menu and open your Apple account. Go down to media and purchases. Tap on that. Select password settings and then switch off required password under the free download section. Tap done. So after doing these settings, now you are able to install application from the App Store very easily without Face ID and Apple ID password. That's it for today's video. Before leaving, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching the video.